Hello students, as in the previous classes we have started the new chapter, that is chapter number 4, editing and formatting in a word processor. But due to the network problem my voice was not clean to you, so that's why I am repeating the chapter again. So in this chapter we will see the components of MS Word 2010 window, MS Word 2010 basics, editing a document, formatting a document, and printing a document. Okay, so what is a word processor? Basically a word processor is a software that helps you to type in a computer. Okay, so basically a word processor means a word processor is a software that helps you to create, save, and print documents containing text, pictures, charts, table, etc. Okay, so in a document you may have text, you may have pictures, you may have different types of charts. Okay, different types of tables. So if you need to get any document and that comprises of these things, okay, so you need to have a word processor. Okay, so there are a variety of word processor available. Okay, so MS Word, Word Perfect, OpenOffice. Okay, so as in our syllabus we have Windows, or in your book we have MS Word 2000 or 2010. Okay, so that's why we will use the MS Word 2010 Office software. Okay, so to open the MS Word 2010 software you need to go to the start, then all programs, then Microsoft Office, then Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, so I am going and I am searching the office directly. Okay, so if you search you will also get this. Okay, so I am opening the MS Word 2010. Okay, so the software is loaded. So this is the first screen. Okay, so if you can see your book now, this is the first window of the MS Word 2010. Okay, so we will explore this all option. Okay, explore these different tabs, different options, different buttons in this video. Okay, so basically this is the overview of the MS Word 2010. Okay, so we will start from the file tab, then we will go to the quick access toolbar, then title bar. Okay, so we will explore all these things. Okay, so now I am going to the software. Okay, so if you can see the file. Okay, if you click on the file, a backstage view will appear. Okay, so in this backstage view you have different options like save as, open, close. There are different options are available there. Okay, so if you want to save the document you need to click the save button. Okay, if you want to open the document that you have made earlier, okay, so you can open this document. There are different options are also available. New, if you want to make any new document you can click the new. If you want to print the document you can print it from here. Okay, so if you want to close the particular document so you can close it from here. If you want to exit the software you can exit the software by clicking the exit button. Okay, so there are different buttons, clicks available in the file option. Okay, so next option is quick access toolbar. In this quick access toolbar you have the three buttons. Okay, by default three buttons. You have this is the save button. Okay, so this is the undo button, this is the redo button. Okay, so you can also add new buttons. Okay, so basically this provides you to provide you to quick access. Okay, so if you want any new document, any new button. Okay, so any new quick access button, so you can add from here. So if I click on the quick print, so a new button will appear. Okay, this is the save button. Okay, so what is the save button? If you want to save a particular document, okay, so you can click on the save button and your document will be saved. So you need to specify the path as well as the name of the file. Okay, so I'm not saving now, so I'm leaving this. This is the undo button and this is the redo button. Okay, so if you undo this, so your previous task will be reversed. Okay, so if you want to reverse of the undo, then you can click the redo. Okay, so your document will be redo. So these are the quick access toolbar. Okay, so this particular buttons are the quick access. This particular button is within the quick access toolbar. Okay, so now we have the title bar. Okay, so this particular uh, so this particular location is the quick access toolbar. Okay, so in this quick access toolbar you have the by default you have the document one as name. Okay, so if you save the document, so your document name will be showed there. Okay, So I have, if I save the document, so I will see the name changes. Okay, so this is the title bar of your document. Okay, yeah, of your Word software. Okay, so in the title bar you will see the name of the file. Okay, so what we have next, we have uh, this is the title bar. Okay, so then we have dialog box launcher, then you have minimize, maximize, close button. Okay, so what is dialog box launcher? Basically this is the dialog box launcher. Okay, if I click in this button, so you will get different options will be there. So in this option, yeah, you can perform different operation like paragraph related, if you want to give any space, so yeah, any indentation related, so you can do this. Okay, so this is the quick launcher. Okay, so sorry, this is the dialog box launcher. Okay, so then we have minimize, maximize, and close button. Okay, so basically as you know what is minimize, maximize button. Minimize button minimize your window to the taskbar. Okay, so maximize button maximize the window, and close button closes the particular software. Okay, so then what we have, then we have horizontal ruler as well as the vertical ruler. Okay, so this is the uh, this is the vertical ruler. Okay, so and this is the horizontal ruler. Okay, this is the horizontal ruler. So these two rulers are used. Suppose this is the this is the this is the uh, horizontal ruler. Okay, so if you want to give uh, any space from left to right. Okay, so if you set this, okay, so your document your typing text will be appear from that particular position. Okay, so if you can set this from, yeah, you want to set the left margin. Okay, so you can use this. So this is the horizontal ruler. From the rightmost position you can also set this. Okay, so this is the rightmost position. Okay, so this is leftmost position of the horizontal ruler. This is the rightmost position of the horizontal ruler. Okay, so your document will be within this particular area. Okay, so if you type anything, it will be within this particular leftmost and rightmost position. Okay, so if you want to set the vertical ruler, okay, so you can set this from this particular location. Okay, so if you give this vertical ruler, or if you set this vertical ruler, your margin, vertical margin will be high or low. Okay, so if you set this margin as high, then the higher space will be left here. Okay, so you can reduce this margin as well. So if you reduce this margin, your space will be reduced. Okay, so if you basically what was processor is a software now, so that allow you to edit at your own. Okay, at your own style. So this is the horizontal ruler, this is the horizontal ruler, this is the vertical ruler. Okay, so if you want to set space from horizontally as well as the vertically, so you can use this. Okay, so basically this is located at the top left. Vertical ruler is located at the leftmost position of the window. Okay, and the vertical and the horizontal ruler is located at the top of the window. Okay, so what next we have, we have the document window. Okay, so this is the document window. Okay, so the document window means the area where you will write your text. Okay, so if I type anything, it will be within the document window. Okay, suppose uh, so I'm typing now. So this is the document window. Okay, so in this particular window you will type, in this particular area we will type. Okay, so this particular area is called the document window. Okay, so next we have status bar. Okay, so in the status bar, what we have, in the status bar basically we have the page information. Okay, so as we have only one page, that's why it shows page 1 of 1. Okay, so if we have 10 pages, then it will show the number of pages as well as in which page we are. Okay, so it has in this option we can count the words. Okay, so in this now we have 3 words now, so that's why word count is 3. Okay, so basically this gives information related to words. Okay, how many words in our document, so it keeps count of this word. Okay, so then you can also select use the data. You can also use set the language. Okay, which language you want to use. Okay, so by default it is English US. Okay, so what we have next. Okay, so we have next the uh, view buttons. Okay, so in this view button, what we have there are different buttons are available. Okay, as well as there is a zoom control. Okay, so if you go to the view buttons, you will get the different buttons. Okay, so basically this is the print layout now. So this part the document will be printed. If you print the document, okay, so it will be printed, that is appearing like this. Okay, uh, so this is the print layout. This is the full screen reading. Okay, if you want to make the screen full, if you want to make it full screen, so you can click in this full screen layout. Okay, so there are different options are available there. Okay, so there are web layouts available there. Okay, so there are different options are available there. Okay, so this is the uh, mm, this is so this is the zoom control. Okay, so in the zoom control you can zoom the document. Okay, so suppose you zoom or unzoom the document. If you want to zoom the document, so it will be zoomed like this, and if you want to unzoom the document, okay, so you can use this. Okay, so these are the different buttons are available there. Okay, so again what we have this, there is a scroll bar. Okay, so what is the name of the scroll bar? The name of the scroll bar is the vertical scroll bar. Okay, so we have the horizontal scroll bar. Okay, so this is the vertical scroll bar. So if you go to the document now, you will get a bar. Okay, so basically if you want to go to the lower portion or upper portion, or if you want to shift from one position to another, okay, so you can use this vertical scroll bar. Okay, so by default now your horizontal scroll bar is are not visible. Okay, suppose if I zoom this document now, I will get this vertical scroll bar. Okay, so this vertical scroll bar allow you to go from left to right or right to left. Okay, so uh, this is the horizontal as well as the vertical scroll bar. Okay, is there anything left? Oh, okay, so this is the ribbon area. What is the ribbon area? Basically the ribbon area that contains different tabs as well as the buttons. Okay, so if you can see the area between the file and the clipboard. Okay, so this uh, this particular area now, from this to this now, this area is called the ribbon area. Okay, so basically this ribbon area contains different tabs as well as the different buttons. Okay, so this area is called the ribbon area. In this particular area you have file tab, home tab, there are different tabs. Okay, as well as there are different buttons available there. Okay, so this particular area is called the ribbon area. So what we left, so at the last we have I think I have covered all this. Okay, so basically this is the overview of the MS Word 2010. Okay, so in this first class we have covered the MS Word 2010 overview. Okay, so this is the overview class of the MS Word 2010. Okay, so in this overview what we have seen the different tabs as well as the different dialog box. Okay, ruler, horizontal ruler, what is the vertical ruler, ribbon, zoom buttons, zoom control, view buttons. Okay, so basically this is the overview class of the MS Word 2010. Okay, so thank you.